start shami wicket highlight.
Edge and Rahul Dravid does it again with those safe hands, and it's their first ball again. Mohammad Shami.
Mohammad Shami yet again. The very first ball gets a thick outside edge. Talk about anticipation. KL Rahul saw that coming right from Shami's hand.
Little touches there. Rachin Ravindra turns and goes.
Just probing away outside that off stump. The seam yet again is perfect. Thinnest of edges through to KL Rahul.
And take New Zealand closer.
Williamson goes big. Has he gone big enough? Maybe not. No, he hasn't. Shami has done it again. He's got the breakthrough. Williamson a yard short.
A reasonably simple catch straight down there. It might have got the bottom of the bat, not the middle of the bat. So it had the height, but it didn't have the distance. And look at that, taking it very, very comfortably.
Oh, that's close. That's really close, yeah. A double blow for Mohammad Shami, who is turning out to be some hero here tonight.
It on. Beautiful seam position again, and crashing into middle of leg stump. No answer, Tom Latham. India go bang bang, and all of a sudden there is noise again at Wankhede Stadium.
He's got to find the fielder. It's Jadeja again. A hat-trick of catches. And Mohammad Shami picks up 5.
And now we must pay tribute to Daryl Mitchell's innings here. It has been simply fantastic. And in the endeavour of trying to hit yet another 6, he perishes, but...
That's taken. Number 6 for Mohammad Shami. And another good catch by Rahul, who's dying on him.
Fantastic. He is likely to strike with his first ball. He's likely to strike with any ball. He's that accurate. He bowls seam up most of the time.